Google is rolling out a new feature that will allow users to be notified when their name or other personal information appears in search results. Google is rolling out a new feature that will allow users to be notified when their name or other personal information appears in search results. New Google Alert will tell you when you appear in search, help remove personal information. The feature, called Personal Info Removal Alerts, is designed to help users keep tabs on their online presence and remove any personal information that they do not want to be publicly visible. To set up a Personal Info Removal Alert, users simply need to go to the Google Personal Info Removal page and enter their name or other personal information. Google will then scan its search results and send the user an email notification whenever their information appears. If a user finds that their personal information is appearing in search results that they do not want it to be in, they can use the Google Personal Info Removal tool to request that the information be removed. Google will review the request and take action if it determines that the information is not in the public interest. The Personal Info Removal Alerts feature is a valuable tool for users who want to keep tabs on their online presence and protect their privacy. By using this feature, users can be proactive about removing personal information that they do not want to be publicly visible. Here are some of the benefits of using the Personal Info Removal Alerts feature. You can be notified when your personal information appears in search results. This allows you to take action to remove the information if you do not want it to be publicly visible. You can request that Google remove personal information from its search results. Google will review your request and take action if it determines that the information is not in the public interest. You can help to protect your privacy. By being proactive about removing personal information from the web, you can help to protect your privacy and control your online presence. If you are concerned about your online privacy, I recommend that you set up a Personal Info Removal Alert. This is a valuable tool that can help you to protect your privacy and control your online presence.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing.